She came on a ship to America, 5 years old, to a whole new world. Miracles waiting to reveal themselves, but there was fear of the past as well. The sassy teen in Los Angeles, dancing on the Dick Clark show. The world was bright and the world was fresh, but death always waited below. There was a red balloon floating above in the sky. Imagine it sailing over to you. Maybe it could if you try. Magic is in nature, unfettered and so wild. Magic is the nature in all of us. Open your eyes to the sky. She had a husband, she had a son. Somehow it wasn't enough. Flying away to the city by the bay, searching for the magical dust. She looked at the trees, the people and sea, birds and the boats in the harbor. It all became one there under the sun. The answer was right there inside her. Magic is in nature, unfettered and so wild. Magic is the nature in all of us. Open your eyes to the sky. Magic is in nature, unfettered and so wild. Magic is the nature in all of us. Open your eyes to the sky. Magic is in nature, unfettered and so wild. Magic is the nature in all of us. Open your eyes to the sky.